Well, hello Rinconians, Rincon Steve here. Got a bit of a cold, so I apologize. Oh. So it's been a while since I've taken you into our house, and we just had our rough inspection, and I have to report things went well, but maybe it's time to kind of just show you what's what here. Why don't I start by showing you our kitchen, closet. So you get our electrical all set. This is where our hot water heater will go. So this morning I had got here to check on things before inspection. One of the things in order to check your drain lines, you fill them with water, and which I had done, and it sat overnight, and I noticed there was a spot of water here. I had a leak up there, so you can see how it's wet probably. I was scrambling to get that fixed before the inspector got here, which I had just finished, and he showed up. You can see all of it there. The laundry closet. And then he comes in and he goes, yeah, we don't care about vents up there. You could have just vented it here. You never know. Anyway, so got all my recessed lights. I got my return finished. Recessed lights in here. You can see our closet. Got our lights here. One thing he did call me out on is he wants a receptacle right here. Funny, you can always tell these inspectors what their specialty is. This guy was an electrician, so he's going around counting all my receptacles. I figure that's all existing, doesn't matter. But fortunately, whoever did it beforehand did it right. So he only called me out on the one I took out. And here's our front door. And that's ready to go. Show you out front. It's a beautiful November day. Here it is. There it is, there it is. I'm happy with the way that turned out. And where else? So let me take you into the other bedroom. Over here, where we removed the front door. And we put a closet in right across here. There was a door there too, if you remember. So this will be the bedroom closet, and then the coat closet for the other room. So, really a relief to get that taken care of. What was the other thing? Oh, I got all my smokes in too. Guess that's the only thing in this room. So now we can kind of do whatever. The next inspection is insulation, but I don't think I'm going to get right to that because we're talking about moving in. We just bought an RV, and we're probably going to park it right out here and use one of the rooms for a bathroom and a bedroom, living room kind of thing. So that's going to be this room. Let me just take you over there. I guess you look at it differently when you realize you're going to be living in it. So this really doesn't need much other than finishing the ceiling and the crown, painting. And this is probably the bigger, not the bathroom here. It's got to be renovated. I got vanities for here. I'm thinking I might temporarily just put plywood down for countertop. I'm thinking maybe the thing to do is get this countertop done when we do the kitchen countertop. Otherwise, it's just new vanity, different toilet, floor, and finishes, paint. And so I think I'm going to change the ventilation and And I gotta do something with this closet, I guess. Oh, it's, you know, it's clean and neat, and I don't know, see what Levon says. I'm thinking of getting rid of this hatch because it goes the wrong way. And I think if I just make it a small opening, I'll just use a ladder to get up there. I can't, you know, the thing barely fits through the doorway. You go up it goes the wrong way. They get a funky ladder that goes, it's just crazy. So I'm getting rid of that. Anyway, that's the report. It's a relief, like I said. Oh, another thing here I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna change this door to a 5-panel. Well, that's 6, but we've got 5-panel doors that I can use. Well, maybe it is a 6-panel door. Let me just see. They're all in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 panels. But the new ones are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many people have noticed that. So we got to choose which one of these to put in that place, and that way, from the dining room here, at least it'll look like it matches. All right, that's it for now, Rinconians. I appreciate you watching, and keep tuned in as we finish this project. Now we'll get into a lot of exterior stuff. After getting that room, I'm going to work on the roof, which is not going to be not going to be a fun project, but necessary. I get a leak here. See that? How the paint's coming off? It's probably been there for years, and I don't want to insulate until that's fixed. So that's why we'll get to the roof. Alrighty, everyone take care. Just remember, if you don't subscribe, you're not a Rinconian. All right, everyone, take care. I have something to share with you. We have got an addition to the family. We have a big sister to our teardrop, and this is who she is, our little Zinger. Zinger Light by Crossroads. So this is Levon's new office and kitchen while we work on our kitchen. We're not up to schedule like we hoped, so stay tuned.